Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to send large video on Gmail. So first of all, select a video. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Tap on this video, click on to send option. Select save to drive. First of all, you need to save this video in your drive. Click on to save. Okay, now I'm opening my Google Drive. Tap on to three dot. Select the copy link and go back, open a Gmail. Click on compress. Select an email address. Write something. Just paste here to your copied link and then finally click on to arrow icon. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily send large video on Gmail. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.